Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you are watching. If you're new here, karibu, welcome. My name is Eva Mtali, and on this channel we talk about all things making money online in Kenya, in Africa and the rest of the world, working remotely. And I also show you where to find these jobs that allow you to make money online and to work remotely from home. Once in a while, I also share with you my travel videos where I document my escapades to different parts of my country, Kenya, as well as different parts of the world. If any of these topics sound exciting to you, then you want to hit the subscribe button below. And once you have done so, you also want to hit the notification bell so that every time I shoot a new video, you do not miss out. So without much further ado, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 main changes that have happened to the YouTube platform that affect you as a YouTube content creator. So the number 1 change that has happened is on monetization of videos. So in the past, for you to get monetized on YouTube, you had to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours watch time in the last 365 days, and that's when you'll be able to see advertisements on your videos. However, YouTube has changed that any video on their platform is going to have advertisements, and that means whether you are monetized or not. And what do I mean that you're monetized? Monetized is mean that when YouTube puts advertisement on your videos, then you get paid some revenue for that. So currently it doesn't matter whether you're monetized or not, YouTube puts advertisement on your videos. And the only difference is if you are monetized, then you're going to get a portion of the profits that YouTube gets from the advertisement. If you are not monetized yet, YouTube is still going to put advertisements on your videos, but you will not get any of the money that comes from the advertisement, because Google will take 100% of the revenue from the advertisement on your video. So that is number 1 change. Number 2 change, in the past, for you to be able to have advertisements in the middle of your videos had to be at least 10 minutes long, that is 10 minutes long or more. However, with the new changes, any video that is 8 minutes and above, you can have advertisements in the middle of your video, and that is what we call mid-roll advertisements. So according to the YouTube platform, you can have 3 main advertisements on your video. So we have what they call the pre-roll advertisements. These are the advertisements that you see just before a video begins. And then there is the mid-roll advertisements. Mid-roll advertisements are the advertisements that you see in the middle of a video as you are watching the video, those that interrupt your viewing. And then we have the post-roll advertisements, which happen at the end of a video. So with the new changes, as long as your video is 8 minutes and above, you can have a mid-roll or one or several mid-roll advertisements on your videos. The number 3 change is also on monetization. This is in terms of getting paid. So in the past, especially if you are based in Kenya, for example, one of the payment methods was Western Union. This is whereby YouTube would simply send money to any Western Union, and you'd simply walk into a Western Union wherever you are based and just cash out your money without having to worry about exchange, currency exchange and the like. But beginning 2021, YouTube is phasing out the Western Union as a form of payment. So basically, if you enroll for YouTube's partner program anytime after August 2020, you have not even been able to select Western Union as a form of payment. For those of us who are already enrolled on YouTube's partner program before August 2020, what is going to happen is that YouTube will continue sending your payments to Western Union, but have given a notice that by the beginning of August 2021, you need to enter an alternative payment method other than Western Union for you to be able to continue making earning your YouTube revenue. So what you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio under payments and select, you need to go to your Google AdSense, log into your Google AdSense under payment methods and select a different payment method. So if you're based in Kenya, for example, you only have two options. Number one, you have to enter either a bank account and you have to choose the currency. If you want to be paid in euros, then you have to open an account, a euro bank account in any of the commercial banks in Kenya. If you want to be paid in US dollars, then you have to open a USD account in any of the commercial banks in Kenya. The other option is for you to choose to be paid by check. The only challenge, especially if you're based out of Kenya, I don't think there is a way for you to cash in your foreign currency check. So what you are left with basically is to open a bank account in a currency of your choice. It could be either euro or it could be USD, that is US dollars. Walk into any of the banks, and I would suggest that you go to a bank that you already have a relationship with and tell them that you want to open a foreign currency account, and the reason you want to do that is to be able to receive your YouTube payments. Now here is where it gets interesting, and what are the implications of not being able to get paid by Western Union? That means, number one, you will have to incur the extra cost of managing a foreign currency account, which don't come cheap. Number two, you have to go through the extra mile and the time wastage of going into a bank and opening a foreign currency account if you don't have one already. Number three, it's just gonna get more expensive, especially in terms of when your money comes into the bank. Most of the banks will want to charge you for receiving that money. Excuse me. In addition to that, you're also going to have to worry about foreign currency exchange fees. Well, those are the three main changes that have happened to the YouTube platform that affect you as a content creator. Let me know in the comments below how you're planning to handle these changes going forward, and if there's any other changes that I haven't covered in this video, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for staying up to the very end. I look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye-bye.